welcome back. Today I want to show you my booster pack plugin. So all it does is to let you create booster packs, and you can either get them from events like this, and then you see a little graphic and the content of the pack, and you can also use them as items and get either weapons, items, or armors. Here I created a mix pack, so contains random potions or weapons. To set it up, you simply need to activate your plugin here. And here you can create booster packs. So in this list you see all of your booster packs, and click on one. You see that it already gave you a tag. This tag is what you can use later in the database to assign this pack to an item. Here you can use a picture. So we use one I already created, the mix pack. And you can also use a frame picture if you want an extra frame over your image. And here you can set the duration, fade in, fade out. It all is for the image which gets shown. You can use a revealed sound like this. And yeah, this is the draw mode, so it draws random dependent on the weight you create, or it simply gives you all items which you created. And the draw count, you can set the amount of items or weapons or armors which get drawn. Allow duplicates if you, yeah, so self-explaining. And here you can create a new item which is in this pack. So I choose a potion, and here you can set weapon and armor, but you need to set the type to the dependent item or weapon or armor. And here you can set the minimum or maximum amount, and this means if one item gets picked for in your booster pack, you can set an amount for that item. So you can say if this potion here got picked for the booster pack, you can set it to another amount from whatever you like to 99. And the weight is the percentage from how high the chances to get this item. So this is 30% now. And I create a few other items here. So we have a pack with a bit of with more items. So I set the weight to 15. So you need to remember that you can only have 100% in total. So the first potion was 30%. This is 15%. So we are at 45. And now we give a few other items. Let's select this potion and give it a weight of 5. So it has a low chance to get picked. And we can also add weapons. So we have 50% left, just to remember. So we say the sword has a chance of 10%, and then we can also create another weapon and choose a wooden staff, for example, give it also 10%. So we're at 60%, I guess. So it's 30, 45, 50, 60, 70. So we have 30% left. And we simply give it to encounter decreaser and say here it's also a chance of 30% get dropped. So we have 6 items, and let's set the draw count, let's say to 4. And now we can, it's okay, you need to remember his name, basic. And now we go to go and create an item for our booster pack. So we call this like mixed booster, or it was the basic one, I guess. So call it like that, and then you give a note which says booster pack, and then you enter the tag and hit OK. And now we have set up the item, and now we simply need an NPC to give us the booster pack. So you can call the booster pack directly from the plugin command and use open booster pack, and here you type in the tag or ID. And the other way that I will show you is by giving you a booster pack item, so let's say 50, and hit OK. Now we can test play it, and you see if I talk to him, there will be a booster pack, and it will include a few of those items that we created. And he also gave us a basic booster, so you can now open it from the menu. And you can go on and use your booster packs. And as you can see, it all works like that. So this is available on itch.io, and you can also join the Discord to report bugs or talk about our plugins. And that's it for now.